Wow, Etsy is such a whirlwind. I am on Etsy for 6 months now. I think I entered my 7th month on Etsy, and it is about time that I talk about it because it is so hard. So hard, but so rewarding. So many things happened in 6 months that I am very excited to talk about this with you here on my channel. Yes, I'm a very new channel, but I have so much to share with you already in 6 months. I want to talk about my experience, my numbers, a lot about my numbers, the nitty-gritty. I go really deep into details about what's happening on Etsy. You know, there are ads, there are obviously driving traffic to your Etsy shop from inside, through SEO, but also through other sources like social media platforms, Pinterest. I want to talk a lot about Pinterest. And not to make this video too boring, I show you a few stats here. You can see like a growth happening over the last 6 months. I'm very excited. I think 1-2 weeks into my 7 months, and I outperformed pretty much all of my previous months apart from October so far. So there is things happening, and I want to share everything with you. And to give you a little bit more insight, what I'm selling on Etsy, it's actually digital products. So I'm one of those people who started a digital product Etsy shop. No, it is not print on demand. I know there are many people out there, also many YouTube channels who talk about print on demand, but that's not what my shop is about. It's digital products in the productivity space. And I will definitely talk a little bit more about it to give you insights what works in that niche as well. And the reason is that I'm really in for the long game. I'm not here just for 6 months on Etsy and see what's happening, and then, if I succeed, I maybe continue. If I don't succeed, I give up. No, that's not what this is about. I'm here to have a long-term relationship with Etsy and hopefully with you and my new community. And I want to show you can be an average Joe, an average Jane like me. And it's not only about all the tactics and all the things you have to apply, which are important 100%, but it's also about perseverance. It's about the mindset. And on this channel, I want to talk about the mindset a lot. Like, I want to encourage you not to give up. I know it's really hard to see all these successful Etsy sellers. To be honest, it's not that many, maybe you just have a handful who just tell you, oh my god, they started an Etsy shop and month 1 or month 2, they already made $1,000. Of course it's inspirational. I want to watch these videos as well, but I also want to be realistic and want to tell you that hard work and persistence pays off. And I want to give you that example with me. I would say I am successful on Etsy. I get this notification on eRank, which I'm actually using, and I will talk about all the tools as well, that I am selling more than 91% on Etsy. Like, more than 91% of all the Etsy sellers on Etsy. So that's amazing, right? You need those little rewards. You need these little boosts, you need these little encouragements, affirmations that it is working. You just have to continue it. It is possible to be super successful in a very short time, but it's also very rare. Let's really take this route of setting goals, working towards your goals, have realistic goals, have encouraging goals, and make it happen with hard work and persistence. So we can do hard things and we don't give up. I actually tell these affirmations to my daughter, so I might as well believe in them myself and show you these results with my Etsy shop, right? And there's other things around the Etsy shop I'm building as well. So I don't only want to have one Etsy shop or one income stream. I also built a Shopify shop. I'm doing email marketing. And all these things I want to talk about here on my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned. My next video is coming very soon, and it will show you my first month on Etsy with all the details you need to know and all the mistakes or successes I had in the first month. And as I mentioned, I want to talk a bit more about driving traffic. I had a Pinterest post go viral, so it's definitely worth talking about it here on my channel, so stay tuned and subscribe. And if you want to start an Etsy shop, make sure to use my link down below to get 40 free listings. You don't have to pay a fee for it. And I have the feeling 2024 is going to be an amazing year for us on Etsy. I'm excited about our journeys. Let's do it. See you in my next video. Bye.